From bumper to bumper, Vacall's AllJetVac combination sewer cleaner has a collection of advantages that set it apart from other sewer cleaning machines. Easy to operate, with greater vacuum and jetting forces, Great All Industries has engineered these Vacall machines to productively maintain sewer lines and quickly open blockages to meet emergencies. Plus, they have an exclusive collection of green advantages that save both money and the environment. The Vacall advantages start in the cab, designed for operator comfort and working efficiency. Operators use simplified controls to get right to work, using a single switch to go from road mode to pump mode. Other optional switches include handy features like work lights, traffic advisors, and a cold weather recirculation system. The heavy-duty Vacall hose reel is built in-house by Great All with a standard 800-foot reel. Some options include up to 1,000 feet of hose, along with a low-profile reel. Models also offer a choice of locations, either at the front or rear of the chassis. The reel is operated by a planetary gearbox, driven by a hydraulic motor and valve for in and out functions, along with an electronic digital footage counter. Rotated on a bearing, the hose reel uses an air-operated brake system to lock the hose reel in any position without lining up gears or teeth. This offers the best reel position to address the job at hand. Manual hose wind is standard, or you can choose a telescopic or automatic wind. A tie-down clevis secures the tiger tail once in position. The tilting hose reel also allows access under the chassis hood to service the engine. The Vacall AllSmartFlow intelligent control system is the industry's most advanced approach to build operator efficiency, and it's standard on all Vacall machines. The system includes a digital display control panel with soft keys, an engine RPM indicator, a water system indicator, jet mode selector, a hose reel in and out speed control, a footage counter, zero operation, an alarm override operation, a rheostat knob for menu navigation and incremental control of the water pump, engine RPM, and hose reel speed, an options button, a home button, and a back one-page screen button, an optional hydro excavation mode selector. With the options button, you can view module, blower, and water pump actual hours of operation. Diagnostics will show active and previous codes and check that switches are functioning properly. Other options allow the system to change between imperial and metric and English and Spanish. For handy positioning, the control box can be rotated to the side, 45 degrees or facing forward, and can be mounted on either side of the hose reel to accommodate operator preference. The standard control panel, panel power, engine throttle, water pressure, hose reel up and down, hose reel brake, 2 proportional joysticks, left joystick, hose reel in and out, right joystick, boom controls, boom up, down, left, right, in, out, and a 25-foot wired pendant that can be plugged in at the bottom of the control panel for remote operation. Optional switch panel controls include blower engagement, vacuum relief, work lights, slide gate valve. The driver's side water system is easy to access and operate with a water manifold, main rotor valve to the front hose reel, and a drain valve. Some options include a debris tank flush valve, washdown handgun and reel valve, and an air purge valve. A 40-gallon hydraulic tank with ball valves to shut off during maintenance. Hydraulic pump is driven to raise and lower the debris tank, raise and lower the tailgate, and rotate the boom and hose reel. 3-bank lever control valve to open and close the tailgate and raise and lower the debris tank, while a 3rd lever can operate the sludge pump or a debris body vibrator. The unique vacuum filtration system is designed to reduce maintenance and maximize both performance and the working life of the system. A cyclone air-water separator spins the airflow from the debris tank to remove even small particles before they enter the blower. Particles are collected in a dropout box with a clean-out door and an optional drain valve for liquids. Vacall water tanks have a lifetime warranty that's unique in the industry. It's a warranty that's standard without extra cost because we know we can control the strength and quality of the tanks we fabricate ourselves right in the Great All factory using high-quality, extra-strength aluminum. Tanks are available with 1,000, 1,200, and 1,500 gallon capacities, all with interior baffles. The tanks are mounted low to create a low center of gravity, but above the rear fenders for protection and to avoid damage from road debris. The mounting location also creates a positive head pressure to the water pump inlet. The uniquely designed AllJetVac tailgate is built for years of wear and tear with features like a full 90-degree hydraulic opening with dual reverse angle wedges to lock and seal, a single-piece replaceable D-gasket to seal the tailgate to the debris tank, a standard tailgate safety prop with dual props available, a standard single-gravity decant port with decant valves and internal port screens, an optional secondary port for a sludge pump that operates at 710 gallons per minute at 10 foot head to decant at the rear. A front decant option is also available. An optional lifetime warranty makes Vacall debris tanks a sustainable advantage in the industry. Tanks are fabricated with 1/4-inch thick U.S. steel and have available powder coating or galvanization for the lifetime warranty. Tanks are available with 6, 8, 10, 12, and 15 cubic yard capacities. They have a replaceable deflector plate, float ball and cage to manage debris, and an optional float level with an external level indicator. 2 disconnect seal assemblies enable the debris tank to dump and then reseal back to the boom and cyclone air water separator. Optional electronic shutoff controls. The passenger side water tank has a 2.5-inch water fill supply line with an anti-siphon gap and optional Y strainer. A 6-inch crossover tube provides for equal balanced water tank filling, and the inline heat exchanger offers adequate cooling. The passenger side water system can generate 2,000 psi at 87 gallons per minute with a 30-minute run-dry feature and 5-year warranty. Other water pumps with different psi capacities and gallons per minute options are also available. The water pump is hydrostatically driven, and a Mueller strainer filters water before it gets to the pump. To address winter weather conditions, the system has standard drain valves and an optional air purge along with a water circulation option. A heavy-duty OMSI transfer case is located between the frame rails of the chassis. The system hydrostatically drives the water pump, has a direct drive to the blower, and has an optional remote fill port with gauge. The vacuum system has a standard direct drive 824 blower. The base configuration pulls up to 16 inches of mercury with an option allowing up to 18 inches. Other blowers are also available. 2 standard Kunkel valves protect the vacuum system while the blower exhaust utilizes a silencer. The AllJet vacuum boom telescopes lifts and swings with proportional controls, putting the business end of the machine exactly where it's needed to efficiently move material to the debris tank. The standard tube-in-tube boom extends 8 feet 6 inches for a total length of 25 feet from center line of the chassis. Comes standard with 24 feet of aluminum tube extensions. A planetary worm gear drive provides 180 degrees of rotation for exact boom positioning. A host of standard and optional features complete the list of AllJetVac advantages over other JetVac machines. Among these items are: a single steel toolbox is standard, while aluminum or secondary boxes are also available. LED DOT lighting is standard. Other illumination options include strobe lights, work lights, and traffic advisory lights. An optional wireless remote system allows the operator to control the working machine while standing in different positions. Ground-level grease options simplify service for the tailgate, boom, hose reel, and body. An optional hydro excavation kit can expand the versatility of the AllJetVac, enabling it to carefully dig around water and sewer lines. Also, for hydro excavation and washdown, an optional handgun with a spring-loaded reel is available. To accommodate operator preference, hose reel and boom can be mounted either at the front or rear of the chassis. Your authorized Vacall distributor can offer a machine demo. You can see for yourself how the history of Jet Vac performance, effectively combined with Great All Industries' history of quality and hydraulic technology, produces a combination sewer cleaner with the industry's best return on investment. For details and to locate your nearby distributor, visit vacall.com or call toll-free 800-382-8302.